How are you doing?
Okay.
Everything alright?
I wasn't supposed to come here.
I don't know how you feel about it.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Really?
I'm going all over the place with you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about this.
I'm in love with you. I love you.
I'm totally, completely mad about you.
My heart stops every time I look at you. Personally, I think we should be married.
Definitely have kids.
4 or 5 if possible. There, I said it. It was so difficult. I just wanted to get it out of myself. Oh, talk about a load of.
Talk about a load of. Talk about a crook shit.
Don't say that. That's vulgar talk. You don't talk like that.
Fuck you how I talk. I'll talk any fucking way I feel like. This is my fucking ball night. Who the fuck are you to tell me you love me?
I told you I love you and that makes me unlovable.
No. It makes you a creep. No, it makes you sincere. That's even worse. I mean...
Fuck.
Fuck you. Are you not kids?
Yeah, kids. What's wrong with kids?
I hate kids.
I don't believe that.
Okay. I'm told to have kids.
No, you're not.
I can't have any. Any. Are you happy now? Both of you.
We'll adopt.
What? We'll adopt. Okay. Look, you don't just decide to go falling in love with people out of the blue.
Why not?
They don't like it.
Okay.
How would you like it if Neda said she loved you, you and you,
Okay.
and wants your baby?
Neda, with a fine ass?
Yeah.
I still tell her that I love you.
Maybe you should... Well, I don't know. You don't know me.
You don't know me. I don't know you, I know you.
You just say that because you want to run away.
It makes it easy for you to run away.
What do you want Frankie?
Frankie, what do you want from a guy?
I want a guy who will love me no matter what.
Here, you got one, me.
You got two.
Maybe you should just go and find someone else without parts, like you.
It could happen.
Maybe I could meet somebody tomorrow.
Get laid. Think I was in love with her. Why not?
Okay, don't let me stop you guys.
You're not stopping me.
I am stopping me.
I'm in love with you.
I love you. But I'm so scared you're gonna retreat back. You know, that place that you're so comfortable with, where nobody can find you?
That's why I'm going on so strong.
Can't you see it? Frankie, chances like this don't come along often. You gotta take them. Because if you don't, they're gone forever. You may wind up and pardon my friends for the very last time, screwing some other person you meet, thinking you're in love with this person, and marrying them.
Boy, I climbed up the wrong tree.